Hey guys, welcome back to Media. You are cooking with Nkiru. Today we are making a world famous delicacy, chicken feet. The world is obsessed with this delicacy, and if you try this recipe, I bet you might get hooked. Before we start, if today is your first day with us, welcome and thank you so much for joining us. And for those returning, thank you so much for coming again. I appreciate you all. Let's cook. I have 5 pounds pre-washed chicken feet. Pay attention to between the toes and pads of the feet. Remove any yellow outer skin. Use your kitchen scissors or knife and cut off the nails. After cutting the nails, rinse them under running water. Transfer to a big pot. Add enough water to cover the chicken feet. Cover it and boil for 10 minutes. Blanching removes any chicken odors. While it's cooking, prep your ingredients. Onion, shallot. Shallot enhances flavor and taste. I'll list full ingredients in the description box. Let's get the details of cooking the recipe first. Mince the garlic. Ginger. Scotch bonnet pepper. This is hot. If you don't like spicy, don't use 2. You can use half, you can use 1. It's up to you. Grate the carrot. Dice the peppers. I'm using orange and yellow. You can use the colors you want. And finally, thinly slice the green onion. After 10 minutes, drain the chicken feet. Heat oil in a pan. Add a pinch of salt. Saute onion until it becomes translucent. Add garlic and ginger. Keep stirring. Add shallot. And cook until they become soft. Add the carrot. Keep cooking until the carrot softens. Now add the chicken feet. Add 4 Star Anise, 1 tablespoon liquid aminos, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce. This gives it the brownish color. Mix to combine very well. You may add 2 teaspoons of Knorr powder. Is your choice. Add 3 cups of water and combine very well again. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste just to enhance the color. Add the Scotch bonnet pepper. Mix very well, cover it, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, continue simmering it uncovered until the sauce thickens. You really want it delicious and juicy. If you use this recipe, I bet you your delicacy will be devoured as soon as you finish cooking it. Finally, add the green onion and the peppers, and the super delicious delicacy is ready. Taste to make sure the seasonings are well incorporated. Then go ahead and dig right in. Enjoy yourself and let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video.